Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect American Express card to Amex Offers, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the American Express website. Log into your American Express account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Amex Offers section on the homepage. Click on the Amex Offers link to access the available offers. Browse through the available offers to find ones that interest you. When you find an offer you like, click on the Add to Cart button. Confirm that you want to add the offer to your American Express card. If prompted, select the specific card you want to connect to the offer. Wait for the confirmation message indicating the offer has been added successfully. Return to the main Amex Offers page to continue exploring other deals if desired. If you prefer using the mobile app, open the log in with your account details in the app. Navigate to the Offers section from the main menu. Browse or search for offers that may be beneficial to you. Tap on any offer that interests you to view the details. Select the Add to Cart option to link the offer with your card. Confirm the addition and wait for a notification confirming it has been added. Use your American Express card for eligible purchases to take advantage of the offers. Be sure to read any specific requirements or expiration dates for each offer. Enjoy making the most of your American Express card with Amex Offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.